It's 2025 and there are still a lot of people out there who think the earth is flat. But what blows my mind is that not that many people know that even though the earth is not flat, the universe itself is flat. And that's a very weird concept. It's one of those things that I always have such a hard time to explain to people. What does it mean that the universe is flat, and how the fuck do we even know that? Now, defining what is flat, a surface is flat or not, is honestly not that hard. Like when you think about two-dimensional, like this table, geometrically we can explain flatness very easily through different methods, but let's say a triangle. On a flat surface, if you draw a triangle, the addition of all the three angles always adds up to 180 degrees. If it wasn't flat, the total angles would be either more or less than, smaller or larger than 180 degrees. And a good example of it is if you try to draw a triangle on the surface of Earth. Because Earth itself is not flat, the triangle is not going to be flat. It's going to be made out of three curved lines. The angle of them are not going to be add up to 180 degrees. This is a way we can define a flat surface. We can do the same thing for the universe. As the universe grew in the past 13.8 billion years, we can grab slices of the universe and look at the different galaxies, look at the different light sources in this universe, use them as a way to define a triangle and see what is the total angle of these triangles. And the answer is incredibly flat. Now, we don't really use galaxies because the universe has given us something significantly more useful from the Big Bang itself. It's cosmic background radiation. We have the light that started the universe. So from that, we can actually track all the corners of the observable universe. And that actually gives us a very good idea that the universe we are in is incredibly flat. Now, that's kind of insane. There is absolutely no reason for this universe to be this flat, this precisely. That's such a very special case that we started doubting if this is because we see a very, very small portion of the actual universe. That could be the case for the universe, that the observable universe that we have access to is such a small portion of the entire universe that to us, it is flat. But if we could see the entire universe, it would have been either curved outward or inward.